Hello everybody, it's Dr. Phil, and we're here to talk about Bitcoins and BitConnect. It's the 13th of December 2017, and we're going to try and upload a video every day now. So what I'm going to show you tonight is how to do a loan in BitConnect. I know I've said how to do it before. Now for those of you who are new and don't know, BitConnect is a lending platform that works on the skirts of Bitcoin, and it's a way that everyday people can get into Bitcoin by investing some money into a lending program. Now BitConnect itself is what we're talking about, and we've been in BitConnect now for a little while. The videos that we're doing now are relating to when we started on the 5th of November, and we started off with 2,140, and we put a few extra bits in there, and we're up to now I think up to 7,550, but we have added some money along the way. So what I'm going to show you tonight is we're going to do a basic reinvest of $100, because that's not a new loan. So how you generate income in BitConnect is you put your first loan in of $2,100, and I'll show you how to do that. So this is money now that I've accumulated in interest, and I want to put that interest back in so it'll compound. Very short video. My last two waffled on way too long, so this is going to be a short one. And just to quickly show you, I don't know if you can see on the board over there, day 38. And I still got the torch here from last night, so let's have a quick look. That was very helpful because the light's off in the office here. BitConnect day 38. So I tend to do these videos at night time. It's 10:30 now, so it's getting a bit late. So I'm just going to quickly show and turn the screen around because we're recording on a tablet, and show you how to do the loan. Got the screen behind here. Just going to bring it down a little bit so it's not so high, so we get a better angle on the view. Now I've transferred some money out of my. Now we also do Bitcoin mining, so we've got some miners, and I've transferred some money across here from one of my miners to put some more in, but it hasn't landed yet. We're still waiting for it to arrive. So I'll show you when you transfer Bitcoin into here as well, what you'll be looking at. So basically just turn it around a little bit. So here we go. Put the screen on there, and you can see our account. And basically what we've got now is in this section here, we've got 0.29212887 in the Bitcoin in the BitConnect wallet. So what I'm going to do, I'll just quickly pull up the calculator on the screen so you can see. And where's my calculator? It's just there. Go down here. So how I work this out is I type that number into here first. So it's 0.29212887, and I multiply it by the value of BitConnect, which is just up there at the moment, which is $381.20 times 381.2 equals, and there's $111 there. So I know I can safely put a $100 loan in, which is what I'm going to do now. So I'll just show you how we're going to do that. We'll close the calculator. So we're going to go over to wallet. Is it wallet? No, sorry. Let's go here. Silly, I just saying boo-boo. So we're going to hit lend BitConnect, this one. So we're going to lend, and we're going to put in $100 up here. 100, which is 0.26. As you can see, that was 0.29 over there, and that comes in this first one. So there's no bonus interest on this, but there is interest. There's no bonus interest, and this loan will mature in 299 days. So I agree, and I pay from the BitConnect wallet, which I'm going to do now. And it asks me, I'm going to do it. Yes, I'm going to lock it in for 299 days and confirm. So confirmed, and loan done. Successfully lent. Up the top here, successfully done. Close, and now we'll go to going to refresh the page, which is just there. You'll notice if you don't refresh the page, it doesn't update automatically. Not always, it does sometimes, but I just refresh as a matter of course now every time. And then we'll go to active investment. And now it's showing I have $7,650 in there, which is great. So tomorrow I'll get interest on, there's lots of interest comes in. I'll just show you that quickly now. Now in my wallet over here, you can see, I don't know if you can see, yes you can, you can see it received Bitcoin. I've got a Bitcoin transaction coming in, but it hasn't arrived yet. And that's because the network's slow. I don't know what fee was paid when I sent it from my Trezor wallet. So that's only $53 US, which is enough to top up another interest to another loan. So I'll do another loan tonight when more interest comes in, because I get interest payments all through the night now. They come in at all hours. So I usually just accumulate, and I just thought I had a spare 50 over there, I chucked it over here and drop it in as well. I'm trying to get the main loan up as high as possible. I want to actually have get to $1 million by the end of next year. So that's the aim, and we're on track to doing that. So it sounds crazy, but I've watched a lot of other people do this, and it really is easy. Just persistence, putting money in, and adding a bit more. So now, if you're going to put money in for the first time, you transfer Bitcoin in, and Bitcoin will appear in this section up here in your Bitcoin wallet. As you can see, my Bitcoin wallet's got 0. There's my BitConnect wallet, and there's my lending wallet. So when we receive interest from our loans, it goes in the lending wallet here every day. And at the moment that's 0 because I've already transferred it across to the BitConnect wallet. So what you can do two ways. If there's more than $10 in the lending wallet, you can actually go back to dashboard, and you just click on reinvest. So if you've got $10 or more in here, you can go reinvest and reinvest that $10. But if you transfer it from the lending wallet into the BitConnect wallet, it has to be a minimum of $100 for a loan. So I don't really do many of the $10 ones. I prefer to do the hundreds. But when you only got $1,000 in there, when you're starting, redo it, because it makes a big difference. You wouldn't think so, but it makes a huge difference along the way. So absolutely do the $10 loans every day that you can. Anyway, let's turn this around. That was a quick video for tonight. I just wanted to show that in there. And that's how you do a loan. And yeah, see you tomorrow, or the day after, or the day after. I've got to do some paperwork for work now. But there we go. Now $7,650. So it's getting there. Just still about heaps off. There you go. Good night. Bonne nuit, au revoir, and bon chance.